This is actually this is Inside Sounds. Hello, I'm Ashley, and this is Inside Sandstorm. So this is how Sandstorm actually runs. Most days start quietly, no rush, no big announcements, just work starting from where it always begins. We don't make things quickly here. We make them carefully. Every bag goes through a few hands. Each step checked, adjusted, and sometimes redone. That's intentional, by the way. We work in small batches because it lets us pay attention to material, to detail, and the people making it. Speed can get things done faster, but patience gets them done right. So this isn't just about perfection. It's about our responsibility to the craft and to the person who carried this bag long after it leaves this place. This is what a normal day looks like here, and this is why Sandstorm runs the way it does. Nitaweka ngumi.